let's learn about plants as food. So, here you can find a market stall with different food items. Let us place them into this shopping basket. In vegetables, we have tomatoes, potatoes, broccoli, carrots, and in fruits, we have bananas, watermelon, pineapple, and apple. So, where do we get all these food items from? Let us learn. So kids, plants are very useful to us. Most of our food comes from plants. We get food from different parts of plants. We get vegetables and fruits from plants. We also get cereals and pulses from plants. And kids, we also get coffee, tea and sugar from some plants. Oil and spices too we get from plants. Vegetables are good for health. We should eat lots of vegetables to be strong. We all know that we get vegetables from plants. Vegetables are usually grouped according to the part of plant that is eaten, such as roots, stems, flowers and leaves. Yes, we all eat the parts of a plant as vegetables. So, can we eat roots of certain plants? Yes, we can eat the roots of certain plants. Roots that we eat as vegetables are beetroot, carrot, turnip, radish, etc. So kids, all these vegetables grow as a root under the soil that we eat as vegetables. So the next part of a plant that we eat as vegetables are stems. Yes kids, we also eat the stems of some plants. For example, we have potatoes, ginger, sugarcane, etc. Potato and ginger grow under the ground. However, they are stems, not roots. Because these vegetables grow on underground stem of plants. And from which part of the plant do we get sugar? We get sugar from the juicy stems of the sugarcane plants. And kids, we also eat leaves as vegetables. Leaves are not just meant for plant-eating animals like sheep, but we humans also eat many kinds of leaves as vegetables. Some of the examples are spinach, cabbage, lettuce, and many more. Surprisingly, flowers are not just good for seeing and smelling. We also eat certain flowers as vegetables. For example, broccoli, cauliflower, etc. Plants give us fruits as well. We eat the fruits of some plants. Fruits are the fleshy part of a flowering plant. For example, we have apple, watermelon, banana, pineapple, grapes, etc. So, with all this, we are able to understand that all the vegetables that we eat are actually the different parts of the plant like leaves, fruits, flowers, stems and roots. Isn't it great? And kids, not just fruits and vegetables, plants also produce grains that can be eaten called cereals. We eat food grains of some grass-like plants such as rice, wheat, maize, corn, barley, etc. These are known as cereals. Cereals are also a major source of energy. And kids, many of us think that seeds cannot be eaten. But actually, we do eat seeds of certain plants. These seeds are called pulses. Examples of pulses are beans, chickpeas, peas, kidney beans, etc. How do we get coffee? We also get coffee from plants. We get coffee from the seeds of the coffee plant called the coffee beans. And we get coffee powder by crushing these coffee beans. And we also get tea from dried leaves of tea plants. Spices that add flavor to our food like pepper, cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, etc. also comes from plants. So, from this video, we learned that plants are very useful to us. Most of our food comes from plants. We eat the roots, stems, leaves, flowers and fruits of the plant. Plant also gives us pulses, cereals, coffee, tea, spices and much more. Like this, plants provide us with various things. This is why they are our green friends. They help us sustain life and live happily. So, we should always be kind to plants. We should grow lots of plants and take care of them.